2.1 You start dying slowly. Pablo Neruda. Dying slowly, losing hope of happy future. Self-esteem, self-respect. Turbulent, unsteady. Glisten, shine, or sparkle. Sensible, wise, full of common sense. Question number 1. Read the different messages in the poem given below. Choose the one that suits this poem best. A. Face life whatever it may give you. B. Fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. C. Be yourself and do what your heart tells you. D. Accept all possible changes or risks that you have taken. E. Keeping your self-esteem intact, just try to relax in life. Answer is B. Fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. Question number 2. State the following. A. Theme central idea of the poem. Answer. The poem revolves around the idea that life must be enjoyed. It says that we should look for passion, follow our dreams and take chance to make the most of life. B. Line that provides evidence of the theme. Answer. The line provides evidence of the life is, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, you start dying slowly. C. 3 characteristics, from the poem, that makes a person dull and uninteresting. Answer. A. Not traveling. B. Not reading. C. Not changing routine. D. Avoiding to feel passion. E. Not taking risk. F. Not following a dream. 3. Pick out 4 adjectives from the poem and write them down with the nouns they describe. 1. Same paths. 2. Different colors. 3. Turbulent emotions. 4. Sensible advice. Question number 4. Compare the structure of the poem, You Start Dying Slowly to the poems in Unit 1, 1.1, You Start Dying, and 1.3, A Teenager's Prayer. To which poem does the structure match? What differences do you notice in the other ones? Note them down. You Start Dying. Rhyme scheme, free verse. No of lines, 28. Stanza length unequal. Length of lines not uniform. A Teenager's Prayer. Rhyme scheme, adverb. No of lines, 20. Stanza length, equal. Length of lines, uniform. Question number 5. What expression is repeated in the poem? How many times? Why do you think the poet emphasizes it? Answer. The expression, you do not, is repeated in the poem 12 times. The poet emphasizes on this because he wants us to truly live by doing the things mentioned in the poem, as not doing them would mean merely living and not enjoying life. Question number 6. Write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. A. You do not travel. Opposite. You should travel, as much as you can. B. You do not appreciate yourself. Opposite. You should appreciate yourself. C. You kill your self-esteem. Opposite. You should keep up your self-esteem. D. You become a slave of habits. Opposite. You should become independent or owner. E. You refuse to speak to strangers. Opposite, you should speak to stranger. F. You do not change your life. Opposite, you should change your life. G. You refuse to take a risk. Opposite, you should take risk. Question number 7. Go through the following steps and discuss in pairs about the facts mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the points. Give another interesting title. Get rid of one bad habit at a time. Avoid negative thoughts. Be positive. Trust yourself. Love what you do. Try to enrich your mind by becoming a lifelong learner. Sharing and caring makes life enjoyable. Be humble, respect and welcome. Accept each day with a smile. Answer: in order to live a better life, we should get rid of our bad habit one at a time. A positive outlook towards all things is fundamental to an enriching life. We should avoid negative thoughts and think positive in any situation. Our positive opinion can change negative people. We should trust ourselves, love what we think and we do. We should make habit to appreciate ourselves first. We should learn for lifelong. We should behave as a student. We should make effort to take experience from any good or bad situation. Enriching mind is one of the steps in becoming positive and successful person. We should share our experience and care for lovely ones. Our family members, friends are our best support, so we can share our problems to them. Each day brings new beginning. We should start our day with new force. We must try to live our life with enjoy and prosperity. We must also have humility and respect for everyone around us in order to lead better life. Question number 8. Appreciation of the poem. Title: You Start Dying Slowly. Poet: Pablo Neruda. Rhyme scheme: the poem has a free verse. Favorite line: if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. Theme: central idea: the poem revolves around the idea that life must be enjoyed. It says that we should look for passion, follow our dreams and take chance to make the most of life. Figures of speech: alliteration, repetition, metaphor. Special features: type of the poem, language, style, tone, implied meanings, etc. Simplicity in language: it is written in free verse. The poet used metaphors like sounds of life, same paths, different colors, to describe the different aspects of life. Why I dislike the poem? I like this poem because of its good message in simple language. B. Complete the following table with the things in your life which help you to change your habits and routine. If I do this, I shall. If I travel, I shall meet new places, people and know new things. If I read, I shall gather a lot of knowledge, different aspects of subject. If I change my bad habits, I shall improve my character and become noble. If I play continuously on a mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasures of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, I shall become lonely, fearful and lose confidence. Question number 9. Everyone needs inspiration to move ahead or make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? A. Stories. B. Dreams. C. Idols. D. Goals. E. Love. F. Faith. Question number 10. Complete the web diagrams with words that go with their topics. 1. Turbulent. Storm, times sea waves, emotions. 2. Glistening. Eyes, dewdrops, tear, snow, glass. 3. Sensible. Advice, idea, answer, behavior, people. Question number 11. Write about a day when you felt very happy. Use the following questions to help you. Think, recollect a day. Note down the points. 1. Do you remember the exact day and date? 2. Was it a special occasion or celebration? 3. What happened on that day? 4. How did you react to the things that happened on that day? 5. How did other people react when they saw you were so happy? 6. What did you do next? 7. What happened in the end? 8. Describe any other emotions you felt that day. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a short paragraph of at least 100 words about that happy day. Give a suitable title for your narrative. Write up. Answer. My memorable trip. I was very happy I went to Daulatabad Fort trek. I remember that we went on my birthday 3rd of August 2019. I have always fascinated to see forts, so I decided to go on that fort on this year's birthday. It was a special occasion because I spent it with my family. On that day we saw many spots. It was raining continuously. We enjoyed waterfalls. We had not used umbrellas. Some people were there enjoying with us. Some were complaining about rain. Then so took breakfast which was brought with us. Hotels and restaurants were almost empty. In evening we got free from rain and came home. Our clothes were drenched and feeling cold. That was memorable time. Day in our life. We like to go other forts or natural places like that. I would like to say, my friends, that we should spend our holidays on Indian heritage instead of metro cities. We felt bored at the starting of the day, but when we came out of the home and felt rejoicing full day. Question number 12. Use internet or any book to write 4 inspirational or motivational quotes related to the messages in the poem. A. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. B. The world is too big to stay in one place. Life is too short to do just one thing. C. Variety is the spice of life. D. Do what you can, with what you have, where you are. Theodore Roosevelt. E. Trust you can do it and get it. Baz Luhrmann. Question number 13. Answer in brief. A. What things can lead to a slow death? Answer. These are some points that leads to you a slow death. 1. No appreciation oneself. 2. Losing one's self-esteem. 3. Living a dull life without any fun or variation. B. What is it that makes life worth living? Give 4 points. Answer. The things that make life worth living are as follows. 1. Being surrounded by the people one loves. 2. Doing things that one likes. 3. Having new experiences. 4. Being considerate and bravely accepting new challenges. C. The poet has left the last stanza incomplete. What line will you add to complete it? Answer. The poet has left the last stanza incomplete because the poem has a circular structure wherein every stanza begins with the poet listing the things he thinks one must avoid in order to live a fulfilling life and ending with a caution that if one does not do those things, he will start dying slowly. I would like to add this line, you start dying slowly.